Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone has had a hearty lunch. Yeah, so we will straight away begin with session fun today. This is our class one. The recordings will be posted by evening or tomorrow morning. So, any questions, any doubts, we can have this in the last two sessions, the seven and the eight. Let us first finish all the cards and the spreads, and then we will do live readings also. So, we will do for readings for questions that you really have. So, ask questions, very personal questions also. Uh, you could say it's for a friend or anything. If you don't want to share too many details, also it's fine, but relating, let's say, to relationship, relating to money, relating to finance. So that way we will have live readings also, and the last 2 days will be a lot of fun. Initially it might be little dry, but however I'll try to keep it as less dry as possible. I'm right from childhood I love teaching. So, and I've been known to teach in a very play way method. जैसे कि एकदम आराम से अंदर चली भी जाए एंड यू वॉन्ट इवन कम टू नो कि मैंने सिखाया भी कुछ यू नो इट विल जस्ट गो इनटू योर सिस्टम दैट आई कैन गारंटी यू बिकॉज आई लव टीचिंग सो आई बीन डूइंग इट ऑल थ्रू माई लाइफ फॉर एवरीथिंग anything and everything. Even if I didn't know the subject, people would tell me, "Can you teach me maths?" And I was like, "हाँ, ठीक है." Then वो मैं वही टाइम पढ़ के, then I will teach them as if I know it very well. And in the bargain, what used to happen was I would learn the subject also. So that was a big motivation for me because otherwise I'm a little lazy. वो खुद को पढ़ाई करने को होता नहीं था. So this is Shweta. Would you like to say a few words? She's my sister.
Yeah, hi all. Let's begin our tarot journey today. And most of the teaching she's going to do because, as you heard from her, she's enthusiastic. And but yeah, we'll do it together.
Yeah.
So let's all just start. And all the best to everyone. And I'm sure you're going to learn a lot more than what actually. Even if you do the course, no, it won't be as much as we are going to teach today. So
Because there's a compilation of 10, 20 courses that we have done.
So we are giving it our all, like whatever we have. So yeah, let's start.
Yeah, so she's that hidden horse. We always do our tarot sessions, the two of us and the one client, right? So she draws the cards and we read it together. So her intuition level is very high because she speaks less, but is actually the action oriented person. So don't underestimate her. She's the one with a lot of intuition and she will guide us with her intuitions. So let us start. We will go to our PDF that I've already shared. Yeah. So I'll quickly share all this because this is not really very, like, itna kaam, it's just for today. But we need to know the journey also. Yeah. So this is going to be our syllabus. Introduction to Tarot, card divisions, card elements. You can read it all yourself. There's nothing much to say. Numbers, colors. So this is how we'll teach you all. And all this will come by itself. So we don't really need to get into that. So we will start with what is tarot and where it came from, where it originated, the history. So I will just have my view. Yeah. Okay. So it is believed that the word tarot comes from River Tarot in Italy. Yeah. So there was this game that used to be played. 1 second. Why I can't see myself? Okay. So it is believed that the word tarot comes from the River Tarot, right? So they used to play this game, Taruchi. And later, this game actually became popular as a fortune telling aid in the 18th century. So बहुत सारी theories है ये इधर से आया उधर से आया कोई बोलता है इजिप्ट में आया कोई बोलता है यूरोप में से the gypsies have bought it. but there's no proof to support this theory. In fact, there is a shivling coming in one of the cards, so many people say it's from India. So basically, the first known tarot cards was 78 cards, was discovered in Italy. Yeah. And this is the first true evidence of their existence. So the word ta in Italian means royal, and rot means path. So together it means the royal path. So tarot has many other meanings also. Torah in Hebrew, the divine law. Rota, wheel of karma. Tarosh, Egyptian, the royal way. Basically, it all comes down to, the wheel of karma, the royal path. So what does it mean, the royal path? So it is, really understanding that tarot, let's use it less for prediction कि ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है, ये नहीं होगा, ये होगा. Let's really actually use tarot as a guiding tool. How is it going to guide me? If I am stuck in a certain situation, what is it that I can do today at this moment to get away from this situation? है ना? So this divination became very popular in the 18th century. And what does divination mean? The dictionary meaning is to dive deep into our subconscious mind. So diving deep into our subconscious mind and thereby into the secrets of life which are hidden within. So from ancient times, humans have been very curious to know the secrets, mysteries behind our universe, how the stars, the sun, the moon influence us. So, in fact, for Indians, we have our astrology too. We're all very curious to know what happened in our past lives, what is happening currently, what is our future going to be. So, what does tarot do? Tarot is like a compass. Let's say, we've gone to a desert and we've lost our way. So, we can see, okay, this is pointing north, so this is east. So, I came from the east, let me go back that direction. So, that is exactly what it is. It is like a compass which leads us to reach our destination and goals if we follow the right direction and the guidance of the cards. So divination was forbidden. People started thinking, it's like this black magic kind of thing. And they were very scared with the tarot readers. And even till today, whenever people actually come for our sessions, they tell us, oh, you look so normal. Because they expect, वो movies में जो दिखाते हैं ऐसे बड़ा magic बड़ा सा ball है and that fortune ball and we'll have these lot of crystals and we'll have these tikas and everything. But that's a misbelief. Like, it is a normal science which we learn very logically and then we use our intuition along with it. So how the intuition develops is by itself, slowly, as we start connecting with our cards, our intuition starts growing. So it's a studied science, and it's now been researched and found to be quite accurate. So there are mysteries hidden that are difficult for a common mind to understand. So when we study this science, then we can have thorough knowledge of all these, like big cards. So it will actually help to bust the myths that exist. Everyone's scared. Tarot kya hota hai? Like, oh my God. So it's become a very popular term. But nowadays, tarot has become very popular everywhere on YouTube. Anywhere you go, like my son used to live in New York, and everywhere I would go on the road, एक बड़ा stalls होते थे, the tarot readers would be there. So it's a very popular tool of divination, and it's being used very widely. So it's become very popular, and it's also actually, like if you think, if you want to earn some side money, or you want to make this as your main profession as you go along, there are many people waiting out there because people are so confused today with all the media, that they don't know where to go. And actually, tarot gives them the correct path. So if they start, coming to you and they start understanding and ways open for them, you are actually helping humanity. So let us learn with that intent, not the intent कि हाँ मुझे पढ़ना है. Some will study as a hobby, some might go on to make it a profession, whatever it is. But the intent always should be, how can I help that one person who's come? how can I actually help that person relate to what I'm saying? So that person who's come to me in a very scared, who will come to us? People who are very scared, right? And who are going through problems. And हम लोग उनको और डरा के भेजेंगे कि ये करो नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, because we want to make money, we want to sell our crystals, or we want to give them some other remedies. Don't do that, because you will, easiest way to lose your intuition. So the Rider-Waite deck is the most popular and easiest deck to learn, right? And most of the books that you'll find, the study materials, are based on the Rider-Waite deck. So it was created by Arthur Edward Waite and illustrated by Pamela Colman Smith and published in 1910. So there are total 78 cards, which are divided into 22 major arcana and 56 minor arcana. So I will show you. So there are 22 major arcana. So these are giant Rider-Waite cards. So everyone was asking, which is the best card to buy. So like we told you all, like buy the Rider-Waite. So we can have all shapes and sizes. Like this is a giant one. Then there is a normal one. Then I have this small little one also. Itna chintu sa, which I keep in my purse. Which suddenly, if someone has a very burning question and they're desperate, so I'm like, okay, 5 minutes. Let me go to a corner and get it out for you. So I carry this in my purse. It is so cute. I mean, it's really a lot of fun. So it's like this, itna chota sa chintu sa. Yeah. Yeah, it's so cute. I have a medium version. I love this version. So बहुत सारे cards हैं. All of us, I mean, like we must be having like 50 tarot cards, then guidance cards and everything. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. So these are the major arcana cards. Okay. So how do we differentiate between major and minor? Major arcana cards पे ना नीचे से उनका नाम लिखा होगा. And the number will be written. So like this is 0. Then we have 1. नीचे से the magician. 2, the high priestess. 3, ऊपर 3 लिखा है रोमन में और नीचे the empress and so on. So it will go on like this, right? And the minor arcana cards, except for the ace and the court cards, yeah, there will be only numbers written to it. Question is, having multiple decks for a reader doesn't like to diversify spread of energy through multiple. No, we use mainly one only. The main for readings we use only one. It is just ऐसे अपने खुशी के लिए रखते हैं इतना बाजू में. We connect to that one card, one deck mainly. Yeah. So we can have our questions later, so we don't break the flow. Huh? Mainly we have our one main deck that we connect to, and which we are tuned to, and we keep that. So only the Ace of Swords will have something written on it. Yeah. The other minor arcana cards will have just the numbers. So this is number 6. So it doesn't have anything written on it. But so even over here, like this has nothing written on it. Only the Roman numeral is there. So all the minor arcana cards, except for the code cards, then again there are the code cards which have the writing, right? King of Cups. So that way. Why is my camera going up and down? Is it going up and down? No? Yeah, I don't understand why.
Yeah, it's going up and down.
Yeah, I don't know.
When you bring the card in there.
Yeah, when I'm bringing the card near, it's going. I don't know.
So that's because
This
you
is a new feature. Yeah.
you have to activate the new feature, which is about adjusting automatically to
Okay.
how you are. So you can
And where do I go for that? For
go
more?
to your
I go
video.
more?
Go to your video and you will see an auto frame my video.
Okay.
If that is on, you can
Auto,
unclick
yeah,
it.
that's on.
Yeah, so unclick it. That's why I
Unclick it.
Unclick
Okay,
it, no?
okay, got it,
Yeah.
got it. Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Okay.
wonderful.
So there are basically 4 suits. So there are 22 of the major arcana cards. Now, what does the major arcana do? Major arcana is like your major karmas of life. So when in a reading, the major arcanas are more, it really shows that this karma is not very easy to change and we'll have to work harder. So it shows, the causes of why things are happening in our life. It is the main karma that we are carrying and why things are happening in our life. Whereas the minor arcana cards, each of them are 14. Okay? There are 4 swords. Then we have the cups. Yeah. Then we have the wands. So the pictures are very beautiful. If we connect to the pictures, it's very easy. We will not need to, by the end of this, we will go very slow. 6 days will be only on the cards. And then the 7th day will be the spreads and everything. And then on the 8th day, we will do live readings. And so we will teach you how to do the live readings also. And this is the 4th one, Pentacles. Yeah. So what does each of them denote? So they all denote a certain element. Yeah. So this major arcana card.
Just give me a moment.
1 second. I'll have to mute all.
Just give me a moment.
Mute all cards. Okay. So the major arcana cards are major karmas. Okay. They are 22. And they denote the space element. So we all know the universe is made of 5 tattva, 5 elements: space, air or wind, fire, water, earth, right? So these denote the space element. Then the wands denote the fire element. The swords denote the air element. The cups, everything is given in your notes. Yeah. The cups denote the water element. The pentacles denote the earth element. So what does the earth denote? The earth denotes stability. Yeah. So even before a client comes to you, you can remove one card and see ki, let me see kaun se questions hoenge iske. And if there's a pentacle card that comes out, you can understand he's come for a financial or a business problem or something like that. So once we were doing a reading of a man and he kept asking questions and the cards that were coming out were all pentacles. So we told him, your burning question is not the one you're asking. Because, people directly, for the first question, they don't want to ask about money because then it'll sound very, they're very materialistic and people want to give that image that they're nice, spiritual. It's okay to be materialistic. Paise chahiye hi. So we told him straight away, me and my sister, both of us told him, bhai, tera ye main question nahi hai. Tell us what is your real question. So he said, yeah, this go down is stuck here and there. And so, that's how we find out that that's the main question. So please ask the burning question first. And then you can follow up with other questions. So this is the earth, which denotes, very stability. Earth is very grounded. It's the root chakra, our root chakra, right? And then we have the cups, which relate to water. So love, romance, friendship, harmony, all questions. If a lot of cups cards are coming, they're very good, right? And it is the water element in us, okay? And it relates to the sacral chakra. Next, we'll go to the wands. Yeah, this is the fire element. So it shows that, that creativity, that ambition, that career, that burning desire to, achieve things, but it can also show ego and, aggression. So we have to be very careful. Is my fire balanced? And this is the solar plexus chakra. Then we have the swords, which relate to air element. And it is the heart chakra. Bole mera dil toot gaya types. So this relates to the heart chakra because it is the air element. Yeah. And the air denotes intelligence. It will denote a lot of mental, things that we need to think about, some new ideas that, creativity can come. But however, it is mostly the swords card which show that this person has a lot of mental anguish, lot of stress, lot of tension, a lot of overthinking. Most of the cards in in swords are negative. So when we do the, when the day we do the swords cards also, that a particular day we might see कि कुछ घर में झगड़ा हो गया, that way, because the energy of the swords card is like that. So, yeah. So we do this, go back to our PDF. Yeah. So, like I said, major arcana cards deal with spiritual or psychological changes or internal conflicts that are very, very karmic, and they take a lot of time for that karma to change. So, we have to really tell them ki bhai time lagega. And then, we can give them remedies. Whereas the minor arcana cards deal with our day-to-day activities and they depict the ordinary mundane events. मतलब when these cards come, no, we tell them don't worry, solution बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएगा. However, when the major cards come, then it will take a little time. Yeah. ये तो छोटे मोटे cards है तो चिंटू मिट्टू. So always give preferences to the major arcana card when they come in a spread. Minors will tell you what is actually happening in the day to day. ठीक है? We'll go now to yeah. So what are the advantages of tarot reading? First and foremost, with the tarot, when you draw the cards, you can see the character of that person. You can draw a few cards out to see what is the character of the person and maybe tell him or her things that even they will not understand. They would have not understood about themselves. Ki bhai, you are going wrong in this particular thing because of this particular trait in you. If you change it, then only you will succeed in business, in love, in relationships that we'll see in the cards. Okay? It also gives glimpses of the future. आगे क्या होने वाला है through the spreads. Then the tarot cards also gives us solution of the immediate problems and deadlocks. This is not happening in my life. Why it's not happening? Why it's taking so much time? Right? It also helps us in meditation. We can actually pick up one card and, really meditate on that card. The beautiful major arcana cards like the Empress, which we will show you, the Empress, or there are such lovely cards. Whatever you want to draw into your life, you can actually sit and meditate with that card also. And then developing your intuition. So that power also, when we work with the cards, when we connect with the cards, when we keep seeing the pictures, maybe, one particular card, like if I want that energy, if I want luxury in my life, I can keep the Empress card with me. And I can also keep it under my pillow to, get that vibe even while I'm sleeping in my subconscious. Yeah. So these are the characteristics of the four suits, which I already explained. Pentacles is earth. It is in the shape of a coin. So it deals with money, business, financial, and materialism. Cups is water, love, romance, friendship, happiness, emotions. Wands is fire. So fire, agriculture, also like somebody is asking you what kind of career. So, you can become like research in agriculture, like a lot of new fields also. So it's that dynamic energy, enterprise, creation. Swords is air. It is also intellect. I have not written it over here. But it's not just strife, aggression, stress, tension, violence, but it also is intellect. Yeah, so there are good things also to it. And if there are many pentacles which come in a reading, let's say I have drawn my cards and there are many pentacles in a reading, then the whole theme is going towards money, property, material things. And if many cups come in a reading, then love and relationships. Many wands in a reading, then there's going to be a lot of changes in your life, let's say in career, in whatever that is happening. And if there are many swords in a reading, then a lot of strife, and we'll have to, deal with it politically. So now it will be all theory, but when we do the cards, it'll become easier and easier. We'll first do the colors. So how do we read the cards? Okay. पहले पहले तो कार्ड लेंगे जब, तो we will see ये कार्ड क्या दिख रहा है हम लोग को. Okay. Yeah. So when we see the card, what is showing on this card? So see the picture. So if we understand what each color is saying to us, and also what the individual is saying to us, then we will not need to memorize the cards. The numbers and the colors, all the colors that are there around us, will in fact tell us what the card is trying to tell us. Yes, Sanjan, I'll come back later. Yeah. So, for example, what we can see over here is a red color, right? So, red denotes passion. Red denotes, like, that kind of name and fame. And red is a color also of aggression, but it's also a color of power. This person is a very powerful person, as you can see, because he is sitting on a throne. Then the color yellow is a very positive color. When it's really sunny and positive, how positive we feel when we go out in the sun. And whereas when it's raining, we start feeling little gloomy. Pura andhera andhera ho jata hai. There's gray everywhere. Yeah. So that yellow color gives us that positivity. Then the white. White stands for purity. White stands for innocence. White stands for newness. Yeah. Then blue. Blue stands for spirituality. So the moment I see this card, so there is a little bit of orange over here. Orange is our sacral chakra. Orange is creativity. So when I see the card, first thing when I look at the card, I will think, okay, does this card look positive or negative? So obviously the colors are very bright and nice in this card. So it is a positive card. Now I'm seeing a man who's sitting on a throne. That means he's an influential person. So yeah, and he also has this Trinity sign, right? So I will be explaining the cards, but I just want to make you understand how the colors and the numbers work. Yeah. The number 5, I've just picked a random card. Okay. So the number 5 denotes the planet Mercury. So Mercury is all about communication skills. So this is the person whom you'll go to if you need any counseling. So if a person has come to you for a tarot reading, and this shows up in the tarot reading, now we need to understand from that person's questions whether this guy himself is like this or he needs this person in his life. Yeah, so the questions itself will make you understand. He'll say, I'm feeling so lost. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. Or if he's sounding very, stable and everything, and maybe some minor thing he's sharing. So we can tell him, नहीं भाई, तुम्हारा guidance तुमको खुद को है. You don't need to go to any counselor. You don't need to run around. You have all the you have all the skills. Maybe we can send him this picture. Maybe we can tell him to meditate on this. And, we could recommend him some crystals because tarot and crystals go together hand in hand. Yeah. So we will find out what is he. And if you feel that person is पूरा lost, मैं क्या करूं मैं जिंदगी में, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ सक रहा हूं या सक रही हूं, then we will say, go to a counselor, or this card is a traditional card. It's actually a Pope card, right? Or we can tell them, if you have any guru, a spiritual guru, go to that guru, right? So that's the way we can guide them with just one card. एक ही कार्ड निकाल के हम सब आंसर्स दे सकते हैं उनको. Whatever their questions are, maybe they have 10 questions you can give from one card, but of course we remove other cards also. But if we understand one card also perfectly, हमको बहुत ज़्यादा cards की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेंगे. We are able to use this only. Okay, so these are what the colors will indicate. So we'll go through the colors now. Okay. So significance of colors in tarot. So easily, aram se, don't get, overwhelmed. 78 cards hai. How am I going to remember the meanings? How am I going to, memorize everything? Nothing you have to memorize. Nothing. Just feel the card from your heart. See the colors, see the symbols, see the personality of the person, see how that person is standing, whether the head is high or whether they are looking down. Unke face में क्या expression है, and that will tell you all. Yeah. So what does the color black indicate? कोई भी card में like black color आएगा. So it will denote confusion, depression, lies, negativity. So one of the commonest examples is the devil card. When we do the cards, we'll see. So if the person is black, let's say, 5 of cups or 7 of cups जब आएगा तो we will see. वो person का जो robe है ना, जो कपड़े पहने हैं उसने, वो पूरे काले हैं. So then that person is confused and depressed. However, if my background is black, then the situation or the environment is negative. Matlab, I can get out of it if I get out of that environment. Otherwise, I need to work on myself. So black color indicates confusion, depression, lies, and negativity. So what does white say? White indicates purity, innocence, truth. Yellow color stands for positivity, optimism, good time in your life, like we are very happy, we've gone for a holiday, there's a wedding in the family, so just happy times, your business is going well. So those cards will denote a lot of yellow. पीछे से भी yellow होएगा, कपड़ों में भी yellow होगा, everywhere. Situation is good. What does orange indicate? So there's a card which is Empress, which is less orange. So what does orange say? That that person has healing powers. Very good. Healing powers and counselors. But however, if the orange becomes, goes towards red, like it will show in the Emperor card, then that person has become very egoistic. Person is wise. ऐसे नहीं कि वो wise नहीं है, लेकिन ego बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. So if they are, they become counselors, and slowly the ego starts creeping in because they feel, oh, I know it all. मैं advice देती हूँ, वो बंदा इतना आगे चले गया, and because of me, this is happening. No, you just counsel them once. That person has made the effort. That person has followed your guidance, fine. But that person has also added a lot of things. तो हम लोग अपने आप को भगवान नहीं समझ सकते हैं. Yeah? Just because we have counseled them, doesn't matter. That is that divine energy that you're getting through the cards. And we are telling the clients. So don't take it upon yourself, Once we start, and then, the people, the clients will start saying that, Arey, you said this and this happened. फिर वो ego develop होना शुरू हो जाएगा, and that's when your intuition will die. Yeah, so be careful of that ego coming to you. Red means you have love in your heart. It means compassion, but अगर बहुत ज़्यादा red दिखता है, then it can mean aggression and ego also. Yeah. Blue, like the ocean, the sky, shows calmness. Usually for backgrounds and situations only. Mostly the blues you'll see piche. Some of them will have it on their dress also. So it basically shows that this person is of a calm nature, or the situation is calm. If the person is coming and telling you कि ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है मेरे लाइफ में, एकदम पैनिक मोड में, अंडरस्टैंड कि ये उसका खुद का है, but the situation is not as bad as it looks, because blue shows that once that person actually gets clarity and starts thinking calmly, then they will be able to overcome that situation. Next is brown. Now brown, we all know, is the color of mud, is the color of earth. So down to earth, connected to roots. Example, so much money and knowledge, but very, very grounded. So people swear, the first example that comes to me when I think of down to earth and connected to roots is Ratan Tata. Even after the Taj thing that happened, when BBC came to interview him, he's like, no, everything has been done by my staff, everything my people have done. He never took the credit himself. Itna kharcha kiya usne. I personally know of a person who was in Taj. She was hospitalized and we were really praying for her. She had 4 surgeries. She was in coma. The entire cost of 60 lakhs was paid by Ratan Tata. So much money and knowledge, but so grounded, right? So that is brown color. Green. What does green indicate? When we hear the word green, it is connected to nature. So it is so mystic that the color green, like, how is it, you see the connection with us and the nature, like connection with us and the five elements. The trees give us oxygen to breathe, yeah, and we need it to survive. And we give the trees carbon dioxide, which they need to breathe. I mean, how, if you really think of it, how has the universe been created? It's a wonder. We are so interdependent on each other. It's called dependent origination, right? So without the trees, we will not be able to survive, and without us, they will not be able to survive. So it means, how we can get connected spiritually to higher energies. Gray indicates a very dull and boring life. अरे भाई निकलो, become little social. Don't be isolated. घर पे मत बैठो पूरा time. Just with you and your, oh, my worries. Please go out, meet people, because it denotes a very dull and boring life. Now, what does the color purple denote? Purple denotes that that person has a lot of psychic quality and intuition. So, even when we do tarot, spreads, we can use the tarot cloth, yeah, which is purple in color. In crystals, we can keep around us, which are like amethyst. So I have it around me here. So keeping the crystals around us for energy, yeah. So we'll keep these. We'll come back to the crystals later. So the purple color, yeah, it increases quality and intuition. So color symbolism affects the subconscious directly. मतलब अगर हम लोग मेमोराइज करने को जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे अरे ये क्या है, अच्छा इसका मीनिंग है, अच्छा ये इसका मीनिंग है. बट कलर्स जो है उसका सिंबलिज्म इतना हम लोग के सबकॉन्शियस में डायरेक्टली जाता है, वी विल फील द वाइब्रेशंस ऑफ दैट कार्ड because it's directly based on the pictures and what we can see. Now just imagine if your whole room color, I'm painting my whole room, I'm putting full black paper or black color. मेरे कर्टन्स भी ब्लैक है, मेरा सब कुछ इर्द गिर्द ब्लैक है, और मैं ना मेरी मेड को बोलती हूँ मुझे खाना भी इधर दे, मुझे सब कुछ इधर दे, 1 महीने के अंदर मेंटल हॉस्पिटल पहुंच जाएंगे बिकॉज दैट ब्लैक कलर इज गोइंग टू डू दैट विथ यू. However, when you go to Vipassana or something like 10 days, we sit, we don't talk to anybody. But if the room color is light and we are meditating, then we are actually rising spiritually. But that color black around us, so, too much of black will make us depressed. So therefore, mostly we use rooms which are light colored. So colors, when we go to remedies, mostly in tarot, many people use Vedic remedies also. We also use them, but we encourage crystal remedies because tarot is from Europe and all these countries, and there they use crystals. So colors are very good for remedies also. These are the main colors that we see in tarot. So I hope we have understood till here. Yeah. We will now we will start the cards. Thank you. Okay, lot of heart coming. Thank you. Okay, so we will start with the cards. We will do few of the major arcana cards, and then rest will continue and finish the major arcana tomorrow. And every day we will do one suit. So we will go aram se so that we understand the cards properly. We don't want it to be like फटाफट खत्म करने types. नहीं, आराम से करेंगे. Yeah? ठीक है. So we will go to the cards.
Numerology, Alka.
हाँ, numerology बच गया. Sorry. Thank you for reminding. ठीक है. Numerology in tarot, I think most of us know numerology. So hopefully we will be able to connect to it faster. Also, I want to say one thing is that I will send you the link. Follow us on Instagram. So I have a full section there of all the 78 cards with their corresponding crystals. So when we go to remedies, it will become very easy because that one crystal for that one card. So we can, straight away just shuffle the cards and give them a remedy based on the card that we draw. And the corresponding crystal is also there in that. I will send you that link once the class is over. Okay. So numerology in tarot. So we went to colors and then numbers. Yeah. And then there are symbols which we'll do card by card. Because if we do them all together, then it becomes too heavy. So number one, we all know, most of us know in numerology that it stands for the sun, planet sun. So all the 9 numbers are based on planets. Yeah. So number 1 is the sun. Why? And it's a leader, right? Number 1 is a leader. Number 1 is the sun. Number 1 is a power source. Sun is also, yellow and bright. Without the sun, we would be not able to exist. So it's a very important number in our life. Number 2 is moon. Now the moon comes in phases, duality. Full moon, new moon, waning, waxing. कोई भी कार्ड में अगर सन दिखता है ना, मतलब that card is a positive card. Okay. कोई भी कार्ड में मून दिखता है, मतलब that person is a moody person. Ups and downs, just like the waning and waxing of the high tides, low tides, all the moon effects, right? So balance is needed. कोई भी कार्ड में मून आएगा ना, तो then we will understand कि ये person को पहले बोलेंगे कि don't get carried away by your moods. Tomorrow you will be fine. As soon as that, so don't worry. Next is number 3. Number 3 is Jupiter. Yeah, we can all add our birth dates and get our numbers also. We are not getting into numerology, but I'm just telling you all. We can. So my birth date is 21st. So basically it's 2 plus 1. So it's Jupiter. So I'm obsessed about knowledge. कुछ ना कुछ मुझे every day I have to learn something new. Like, and I love to teach also. So all Jupiterian traits, right? So Jupiter is also yellow in color. So it means all the 3 number cards will show that expansion. So we will tell them, expand your life. You can do much more. So we will guide them. They are all guru cards, right? Number 4, all the 4 number cards have the Rahu energy in them. Now what is Rahu? Rahu is a planet of illusions. Rahu and Ketu are planets which actually don't exist, right? They are the north node and the south node. So Rahu is the head and Ketu is the tail, for those who know the planets and the astrology. So Rahu is a planet of darkness. Rahu is a planet of illusions. So, matlab, we will be trapped. सोच के कि I don't think I can get out of this. I don't think I can do this tarot course. इतने सारे cards है. How I will be able to? And there will be people around in your environment also who will give you all that self-doubt. And then you will feel even more disillusioned. Yeah. So when the number 4 comes, it is also a number of stability. Yeah. Number 4, because 4 pillars. It is also a number of stability. So we can direct that person towards spirit, like towards that stability. Ki right now, okay, you are feeling disillusioned. Don't worry. It is also a number of stability. Stability will come into your life and then we'll give them the crystal remedy. Yeah. Number 5. So number 5 is Mercury Budh, which is communications ka karak. Yeah. Communications. Like we saw this card, Hierophant. He's a counselor, right? He's a communicator. Yeah. So I also practice Buddhism and we need to counsel people. Yeah. So, and the total of my birth date is 5. So I'm a number 3 by my birth date. Then 21-10-1963, if I combine the whole thing, my destiny number is 5. मेरे पास Jupiterian and Mercury traits है. So basically, मतलब I'm obsessed. You can say Rahu hai mere andar because I'm obsessed about Jupiter and Mercury. Full time I want to study something or the other. And I actually don't really use it too much, but I just like to study all the time. Read books. Number 6 is Venus. Venus is the karak of luxuries. So if you feel luxuries is something that you're aiming for, which is very good. Okay. Don't say, oh, I don't want to be materialistic. Mujhe to, like I'm a very spiritual person. So what? Have luxuries in your life. Seeing your life and also being spiritual at the same time, you can do a lot of donations also, right? So money is not just कि मुझे खुद के लिए पैसे चाहिए. If you have money, you can help so many people. We have this blockage about, oh, why should I earn money? I have enough. क्यों? Earn करो. Share the joy. Live a luxurious life. Nobody is telling us to go in a hut and sit and do spirituality. एसी रूम में बैठो ना अभी मतलब क्लास लेने के लिए एसी चालू किया ना. If I'm comfortable, I can teach well. No, why should we run away from luxuries? Yeah, we can give our best. In fact, if we don't have to worry about luxuries, then at least we can go out and help other people. मुझे ही खाने को पैसे नहीं है तो फिर then how will I go out and help people? Yeah, so bindas, go out and say, yeah, I want to earn money. So Venus, Empress card is the best representative of that. I will show you all that. Now number 7, Ketu. It doesn't have a head, like I told you. It has only the legs. So it is a confused number. Also, number 7 is a very mystic number. It has a lot of mystery involved in it because इसको head नहीं है. तो उसका intuition level बहुत strong है. Don't underestimate a Ketu person. जिसका birth date 7 होएगा. Don't underestimate that person. Right? Because they have a lot of intuition in them. Because they don't have a head. So ज़्यादा logic नहीं सोचते उन लोग तो उनका gut feeling बहुत strong होता है. Yeah? Then number 8 is Shani, Saturn. And we've all heard of that, Shanai, Shanai. But if you see, number 8 is also that infinity sign. So Shani will make you work hard first. Don't get scared with the number 8s. Shani is the best planet. Everybody is scared of Shani. अरे मेरा साढ़े शक्ति चालू है. ओ मेरी शनि की ढैया चालू है. मेरा ये हो रहा है. मेरा शनि प्रॉब्लम है. बेचारे को इतना मारते पीटते हैं ना पूरी दुनिया में. Wherever we go, people are talking about Shani. Shani is the karma planet. Shani is the planet which gives you results also. Shani is the main planet which just does justice. So our card, justice card is numbered 8. So it will make you work hard. It's okay when the 8 number cards come, no? Immediately understand, मुझे काम करना है, मुझे hard work करना है, and I am going to succeed. So don't be scared of Saturn. Don't be scared of the number 8. As a common thought is Shani will ruin everything, but actually Shani has come to give you the fruits of your labor. Saturn does justice. So Saturn will grant you success provided you're doing your karma right. So when Shani ka dasha comes, or when we see number 8, or when Sadesati comes, if you have done your karma well in the preceding years, Shani can make you, from rags to riches, in fact. So, like we have many such examples. One of them that I remember right now is of Morarji Desai. Okay, his first Sadesati, he got a very nice government job. Yeah, very, very, very good government job in a very high status. Then when his second Sadesati came, he became the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And when his third Sadesati came, even though he was not the one who was going to become the Prime Minister, he became the Prime Minister of India. So that's what Sadesati can tell you and do for you if you have done. We all know what kind of a person Morarji Desai was. If you've done your karma well, never be scared of Sadesati. Sadesati can be the best period of your life because it's come here to give you your success, give you your justice. So never be scared of Sadesati, okay, from today onwards. Remember Morarji Desai, yeah, became the Prime Minister. Many such examples are there. Number 9 is the planet Mars, which is the Karak of strength and courage. So Mars, Senapati hai, right? In the planets system also, Mars is known as the Senapati. So Sun is the king and Mars is the Senapati. So he is the commander-in-chief. Sun will just give orders and कौन execute करेगा? Mars करेगा. So sometimes while executing, वो थोड़ा because सेनापति थोड़ा aggressive भी हो जाता है. So you have to tell them, number 9 अगर cards आते हैं कि थोड़ा aggression को control karega, so you will be really able to move forward in your life. Then number 10, again, so all the numbers, when they come in the cards, like there are 22 major arcana cards. So when it starts coming from 10, it will again go back to the planets. So number 10 is important because it is completion. And after that will come the new beginning. But it again denotes sun only because 10 is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. But it also denotes completion. And after this completion, there will be a new beginning. And then again we follow and we'll continue the same by adding the double digits. So 11 आ गया तो वो 2 हो जाएगा, moon हो जाएगा, 12 आ गया तो वो Jupiter हो जाएगा, 13 आ गया तो वो राहु हो जाएगा, 14 आ गया तो वो Mercury हो गया, and so on. ठीक है? And then 1 to 10 also denote this. So number 1 denotes new beginnings. Number 2 denotes balance, positive or negative. मतलब balance can be both. We have to balance. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा positive भी कर रहे हैं, let's say, like husband is coming to us and telling us कि I'm not getting along with my wife at all and there is no love between us, I'm not getting any attention. And then we draw the cards out and we see in the cards High Priestess and all these spirituality cards come out. And then, we ask that person, is your wife like drawn to a lot of spirituality? And then he'll tell you, yes, Sara din she's going to mandir, Sara din she's doing some spiritual practice, she's chanting for 10 hours, so then, we'll have to, we cannot counsel the wife because the husband has come to us for a reading, but we can definitely, give them such a remedy where, and also tell him to, request his wife to actually, cut down a bit. So she's doing a lot of positive things, but koi bhi cheez excess is not good. That is why the Buddha taught us the middle way, right? Anything in excess will lead us to a problem. So number 3 is knowledge, like Jupiter. That can be positive or negative also. Negative things may also we can gain a lot of knowledge. Oh, cocaine does this to you, the youngsters, and everyone who's doing drugs or everyone who's doing drinks, or these jihad people who are doing this jihad can be negative. बहुत सारा knowledge. I know how to use this AK-47. I can do this, I can do that. But positive also, yeah. Positive is okay. I'm reading a lot of tarot books. I'm reading a lot of astrology books. I'm I'm reading the Bhagavad Gita. I'm reading Buddhism books. So positive also. Knowledge can be various. And when we are students, I'm talking about my age now. But when we are students, I'm studying maths well. I am good at this. I'm good in that. So knowledge is good at every avenue of our life. 4 will come with a lot of restrictions and limitations. So can come and it'll get over too. So negative, positive, both can happen. It can restrict you, it can limit you, but it can also stabilize you. 5 is communication and intelligence. So all the cards with number 5 also show a lot of challenges, yeah? Because Mercury is a prince. वो मजे से उसको कुछ काम धाम इतना करने का नहीं होता है. Easy way out चाहिए होता है and basically not very mature because he's a prince, like he's not a king or a queen. So it can be positive or negative. Every card can have positive and negative meanings. Then number 6 is luxuries, Venus. So we'll get or lose. So you can get money also, you can lose money also. You can get luxuries, you can lose also. 7 is confusion, illusion. Like I said, it's planet Ketu. So just look at the card. So you will tell that person, maybe the person is telling you things and maybe he's, over telling you things, so then if number 7 ke cards zyada aa rahe, you think, it's not as it appears. Andar kuch aur baat hai. So you will have to delve a little, and draw some more cards without showing the person the cards. Kya problem hai? What is it that he's trying to hide from us? Yeah. 8 is struggles or success, both. Like I said about Saturn, first lots of struggle, then success. 9 is strength and courage. Either you have it or you don't have it. Yeah. So then that also we'll denote through the cards. So you have it, fine. If you don't have it, then you need it. Then how to get about it, that also. 10 is completion. So the cards will show you either you are completely successful. Those cards are also there. Number 10. And number 10, there are also those cards that you are completely finished. but not to worry, because अगर एक चीज गिरती है तो नया चीज वहां से फिर से we can start, a new start. So any completion is a new start. Yeah. So I hope you'll are with me up to now. So we finished 58, 76 cards, 22 major arcana, yeah, 56 minor arcana. Major arcana, a recap, major arcana or are very karmic, very difficult to change. Okay. Minor arcana are day-to-day things जो जल्दी से हम लोग बदल सकते हैं. So the major arcanas will tell you why, what is the cause of this problem coming, and the minor arcanas will tell you how and what we can do to get out of that situation. Then we did the colors, how each color denotes what. Then we did what numbers stands for what. So now we will start with the cards. Yeah, we will do a few of the cards, and then maybe 5-10 minutes we can just 5 minutes, 10 minutes in the end we can just chat. I'll open it up and we can all talk, because otherwise it'll be just me. So let's start with the first card. Are you excited to learn the first card of the tarot? So we'll start with the first card and let's now go slow and remember वो colors वालर्स के बारे में और numbers के बारे में क्या क्या आप लोगों ने समझा है अभी तक. Yeah. Share my screen again. So you have the recording, whatever you all have missed or not understood. Basically just hear the recording again and again. तो फिर इतना ज़्यादा कुछ पढ़ाई करने का जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगा. So okay, let's make it little interactive now, because I think I've been talking a lot. What are the colors that we can see over here, and what do they indicate? You can write on chat. No, don't open your. Don't start talking, because then फिर वो बहुत confusion create हो जाएगा. So let's do it on chat. What are the
Okay,
colors you can see?
I'll just guide a little. So when we see a card, first you see, is it a major or a minor card? Now, of course, we know that we are starting with the major cards. But major arcana has the number and the name written on it. Whereas the minor arcana cards, either the number will be there or the name. So in the minor arcana,
So there is a zero number.
so there's a zero number and the full written on it. So this is the major arcana card. Because now we have segregated it, but when you shuffle, so it's not going to be like, you'll get mixed cards. So always first see whether it's a major card or a minor card. Then check the element. Which element is it? Like when we see a card, like major arcanas are all space element. And then you have the wand suit and that. So you know the elements, right? Wands is fire, cups are water. The third thing you check is the number of the card. So, and then associated with the planet or number itself also has a meaning, right? So like number 1 is sun or whatever. So, and then what is written on the card, the name of the card, and then the colors. So when we see a card, we see all this first, so you, every little thing, like one thing from there, one thing from there, one thing from there, then you get those 20 things already you will get, you don't need to memorize anything there, because you're seeing the number, you're seeing the color, you're seeing the element, you're seeing it's a major or a minor thing, and then symbology. Symbols we are going to teach you with the card. So the symbols also tell you a lot of things. And then you see the overall meaning, and then the cards that follow. That is also very important. So first we see one card. Then is it a positive card or a negative card? And then when we do a reading, no, then we see that if, are the following cards also positive or negative. So then you know, understand the story, like, and then you make a story out of it, like how it's going to be. And main thing in a tarot reading is never end on a negative note. So the person who comes to you is coming with some problem or something, and you can't confuse the person more and tell him that nahi, ye to hoega hi nahi, aise negative note pe never leave the person. So then always draw more cards till a positive card comes, and you have to tell him then you'll have to work harder on it or whatever remedies then you give him accordingly. But remember that never end on a negative note. So when the person goes, he knows that okay, if I do these things are going to work for me. So when we see a card now, like she'll start the Fool card. So now first go accordingly. Yeah, tell me, Sanjana.
Okay, so first of all, thank you both so much. You are really, really good at explaining and simplifying things. I'm enjoying the session. I
Thank you.
actually do Osho's and tarot for the past few years.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I had one question. What if we pull a lot of major arcana cards in a reading?
So means whatever is happening with you is very karmic. I mean, it's destined. There's something very karmic, and it'll take time to get over that thing, like whatever it is. Like suppose you've lost your job or something, and you're getting a lot of major arcana cards, then it'll take some time for you to find some new job or whatever, because this was to happen. Like then when you get the minor arcana cards, so that problem can be
Action.
solved faster, because those are the day-to-day things that will happen. So
Understood. Thank you
major
so
arcana is
much.
like
Thank
something
you,
that
dear.
is, yeah. Start. Food.
I'll pin myself. Okay. So let's chat. What are the colors? We didn't do zero number. Oh, zero is even before origin. There is no planet connected to it. So it is zero means eternity. Zero means new beginnings. Zero means from time without beginning. मतलब वो जो time हम लोग को भी नहीं मालूम वो कब begin हुआ. That way.
Zero means nothing basically. I mean,
Nothingness.
zero means, I mean, this card is like whatever the following card says, no, that card will become like that, because zero, if we add the number one, then it becomes one number, or if we add it before, it will become 10 number. So zero will become like the number it follows, or the card it follows generally.
Yeah. So someone saying that a person is walking, then free-spirited, positivity, moving for a new venture, yellow, sun is there, so strong, positive, yellow bhi hai, red bhi hai, green bhi hai, so expansive, it's connected to the earth. Right. Great. Excellent. तो सीख गए ना हम लोग टैरो. अभी और क्या जरूरत है 7 क्लास का. Yeah, we'll tell you all that, what the dog represents and all that we'll tell you. Don't worry. I just asked you all for the colors and how the picture is talking to you. We will definitely be sharing what is going to be happening. So we can now end the chat. Yeah. Because then it'll confuse everyone. Okay. So we stop the chat now. So I will explain the card, card by card. So number 0 is before origin. Like Shweta said, if you add, 0 plus 1, it's 1 only. 0 plus 2, it's 2 only. So the number will be that only, right? So now, what does the sun show behind you? It's showing you, it's behind you. That means, 1 second. Have I pinned myself? Yeah, okay. So what does it show you? It shows you that the sun is behind you. Matlab you're coming from somewhere and it's mid-noon time. Matlab it's behind you, piche hai. He's coming somewhere from his past, right? And if you see the color, I think 3/4 of the card is yellow. Yellow color का sky है. Generally sky is blue, right? But इसका sky तो पूरा yellow है. So a lot of optimism. It's like a fresh start he wants to make. Lot of possibilities that will open out. Lot of positivity, joy, happiness, growth, success, prosperity. You name it. वो सब दिख रहा है ये कार्ड में, right? Now he has this wand that he's carrying, right? What does the wand stand? He's carrying it behind him, ऐसे मजे से. He's not using it as a support, yeah. So basically, he has all the elements in his potli, the bag that he's carrying, and he's carrying it with a wand, which is one of the elements, fire element. तो फायर एलिमेंट तो उसको बहुत सारा मतलब वो है, उसको लगता है मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ. जीरो है ना, मैं तो सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ. इंडिया डिस्कवर्ड जीरो. So that staff denotes that he feels I'm supported and he feels I have the direction. He's a traveler and he has a lot of energy, because all wands denote a lot of energy, right? Now, what does this potli, knapsack, पीछे से, you know how they go traveling, मस्त मौजा backpack करके जाते हैं. So it shows that he's carrying few things which are hidden. हमको दिख रहा नहीं है. We don't even know what is there inside the bag, right? So they are unseen resources. He has the resources. He is resourceful. ऐसे नहीं he's starting with zero. He has carried few things from his past. ठीक है? Then what does the colored dress show? मस्त colorful है एकदम. Yeah, it has orange in it, so creativity. Green भी है, so lot of nature है. Then lot of orange flowers in it. And his shoes are also yellow. I mean, can you beat it? पहले तो 3/4 कार्ड ही येलो है, उसके बाद जूते भी उसके येलो है. तो मतलब वो पोर्शन ऑफ द कार्ड में भी येलो ही है. So that also shows that he's moving with a lot of optimism and he thinks कि कुछ गलत हो ही नहीं सकता है मेरे लाइफ में, सब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. Yeah. However, and he's standing on the cliff के edge पे. He might fall off also from there, but he's not worried. So it is a card which shows that yes, go ahead and take that leap of faith. However, it also warns you, the dog there, the animal there below. So somebody was asking, what does the animal show? Yeah. So the dog below shows a faithful friend. It shows a family friend of, your mother, your father, anyone from your family. So it's like, you're well-wisher. That person is trying to warn you, bhai, niche pehle dekh, खाई में गिर जाएगा. How small is it? Is it like very deep where he'll die, or is it like he can jump off and go ahead? Yeah. So it can have two meanings. It can have the meaning of you take the leap of faith, or it can also have a meaning that, be careful. Yeah. So in the notes, like it's given that zero means without beginning or end. It's a fresh new start. He's very innocent. He's carrying a white rose. So roses, white rose. Why the white rose? Why not pink? So every symbol, there will be symbols and the pictures that will speak to you. Matlab, you can have 100 more meanings of your own. Not necessary ki whatever we are telling you or whatever the books are telling you. No. Once we start doing the readings, many things will speak to you. Many things you will create. You will be the creator. You might write a book of your own also through your own experiences. Yeah. So that white rose shows that innocence. That he is innocent. आराम से लेके घूम रहे. Yeah. And new adventures, spontaneity, faith, but it also shows apparent folly because he can fall, as we can all see. It can show negligence. कि मस्त मौज है, अरे भाई प्रिपेयर करके जाने का है, कोई मीटिंग पे जा रहा है, तो इफ दिस कार्ड कम्स आउट देन वी टेल हिम, हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड एवरीथिंग? कि बिंदास जा रहे हैं, हाँ हाँ मेरा तो हो जाएगा, मेरे को तो आता है सब कुछ, ये वो ठीक है, तुम यू आर लर्नड, सब कुछ आता है, यू हैव द रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो, पर थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करके जाना मीटिंग के पहले, राइट? सो इट इज ऑल्सो अ कार्ड ऑफ केयरलेसनेस. सो इट इज अ येस कार्ड. But the suggestion that we will give this person, it is a yes card. Okay, if it comes out for yes and no, it's a yes card. but it is a suggestive card. Please listen to others. Yeah. So this man doesn't like to take ज़्यादा responsibility. थोड़ा बहुत करेगा, उसके बाद वो आदत में काम छोड़ देगा, complete नहीं करेगा अपना काम. Yeah. Then initially he will start it well, and then फिर से उसको वापस कुछ नया चीज चालू करना पड़ेगा. So if a person is coming to you and telling you कि मेरा business बरोबर नहीं चल रहा है, and this card comes out. So अगर उसका नया business चालू करने का, we'll say, yeah, go ahead, take the leap of faith, but study it well, listen to everyone, take everyone's advice. But if that person has come to you and उसका business 5-10 साल हो गए and is not doing well, and this card comes out, then we'll tell him, बाबा तू बहुत over confident है, थोड़ा दूसरों का भी सुन, थोड़ा advice ले, and don't be careless. Maybe you have left the business on others. You also need to be there. Go to office. Yeah. So, for example, like sometimes a child is not capable. They have some problem, which is fine. Then it's okay. But sometimes a child is very intelligent, but he's not studying. सोच के कि मैं तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स अपने आप मिल जाएंगे, तो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होएगा. Sometimes a person is saying, I have a drinking problem, and then the full card will come out. So then, उसका liver खराब होएगा, right? So don't drink, obviously. So अगर, so this card is a yes card, but it is not a completely yes card. So कोई अगर आगे पूछता है कि मुझे ये person से शादी करना है, should I marry him? So tell that person, it's yes, but wait. Maybe date him for another 3-4 months, then get to know him properly. Don't be in a hurry. And or maybe someone will say कि किसने में से 1 करोड़ रुपया मांगा है for business. Should I give that person because he's a very trusted person, this, that, and if this card comes out, tell that person no. You can give him, but find out properly what business, bring him to your table, ask him what business he's going to do, where other finance he's going to arrange. Let's say he's asked you for 1 crore and the business is 10 crore, बाकी का 9 crore किधर से आने वाला है? So we have to be really, like very careful. It's not like कि हम लोग हाँ दे दो because it's a yes card. No, take the advice. Yeah. So we'll go to the next card. And I think yeah. So this is the next card we'll do, and then we'll stop, and then we can have a nice chat. And then we'll complete the major arcana tomorrow because we did the fundamentals and the basics today. So we have enough time to complete the major arcana tomorrow. So what does the magician card tell you? Okay, first and foremost, again, ये तो पूरा ही picture yellow है, full yellow. Yeah, पूरा positive card है, lot of positivity. Then when you look ऊपर, there is like a Toran celebration. ऊपर भी growth है, flowers है, greenery है. Greenery stands for growth. Yeah, red flowers मतलब passion है, celebration है. नीचे भी पूरा, green plants है, then red roses है. Everything is there. ऊपर भी flowers, नीचे भी flowers. So what does it indicate? It indicates there is, some celebration going to happen in your family. If the person has asked you, कि मेरा, is it how my business will grow? Beautifully will grow. इसको कुछ भी नहीं बोलने का है. Look at his posture. His posture is yes, मैं कर सकता हूँ. मैं कर सकता हूँ, that kind of posture. So he has this wand, which is like a magic wand. दोनों side, because usually a wand will have one side ऊपर से pointed. This wand is both the sides pointed. Yeah. So, मतलब it is, and एक हाथ उसका नीचे with the finger pointing down, which shows that as above, so below. So we will give the guidance to this person ki pray, trust the divine, trust the universe. You have the skills, but you still have to get, that divine power from the universe. So ऊपर से power लो and नीचे उसको ground level पे use करो as above, so below, right? So it denotes that, it's that number one. It's a card of leadership. Then there is an eternity symbol. What is the eternity infinity symbol? Not eternity. What does that infinity symbol signify? No beginning, no end, a lot of intuition. This man is loaded with, a lot of information, and he's very, very, very intuitive and has full potential. Yeah. Now, when we come to his clothes, लाल रंग का कपड़ा है, जैकेट, एंड अंदर से व्हाइट है, ठीक है, और अंदर जो उसका बेल्ट है ना, इट्स दैट स्नेक, इट्स कॉल्ड अ ओरोबोरोस स्नेक, ओरोबोरोस, या, सो इट इज दैट स्नेक विच अपने ही खुद को, इट गोज इनसाइड, अपने ही माउथ से अपने ही टेल को वो खा जाता है, एंड फुल टाइम इट इज ईटिंग अप इट्स ओन स्किन ऑल्सो, मतलब फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू एंड हो गया वापस. It's eating its own skin and again fresh skin aa raha hai. We all know snakes shed skin and then new aata hai. So it's devouring, खुद को ही खा रहा है, खुद का स्किन खा रहा है और खुद को ही नया बना रहा है. Means continuous growth, continuous. That eternity cycle is going on. And red means a lot of passion, ambition. This guy is going to succeed. This is like the Ambani card, बंदे में है दम. Yeah. So and inside is white. So even though he has red, तो मतलब वो aggressive red वाला नहीं है, because उसका अंदर का जो पूरा कपड़ा है ना, that is fully white. Now fully white means he is very innocent. He is very pure. His intent is also very, very very pure. कि, I want to help people around me. And what are the resources he has? Everything. So if you see the card, the table below, टेबल भी ऑरेंज है, टेबल ऑरेंज है मतलब पूरा क्रिएटिविटी है. फिर वॉन्ड भी पड़ा है उसके अंदर, ऑल द 4 सूट्स आर देयर. दिस इज द ओनली कार्ड व्हिच हैज ऑल द 4 सूट्स, राइट? उसमें वो उसके पोटली में भी एक्चुअली वो 4 है सूट्स. सो ये आगे, उसके आगे जो है वॉन्ड है, पीछे कप है, फिर पेंटिकल है, एंड देन फिर सोड है. तो ही इज वेरी केपेबल. देयरफॉर ही इज वेरी डायनामिक. The wands will indicate कप मतलब इमोशनल भी है, he will understand, he will listen to you. ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं यही करना है. He's not dominating, because red color also stands for domination. नहीं, but इतना white भी है ना अंदर. So he's not dominating, he's very compassionate. He's a magician. उसका ऊपर से देखेंगे तो बैंड भी white है, जो सर पे पहने वो बैंड भी white है. So he's very spiritual also. Yeah, very emotional, very spiritual. He will really listen to you. पेंटिकल्स है मतलब उसके पास पैसे भी हैं, अगर नहीं है तो ही कैन सोर्स इट. ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ही नोस, वहां से आ जाएंगे. देन द सोर्ड इज देयर, दैट ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ इंटेलेक्ट, ही कैन कट थ्रू. द सोर्ड इज लास्ट ऑन द टेबल. ओके, so sometimes if he feel he's been taking advantage of, then he will cut you down also. Then he will use the sword and become, show his little bit of aggression also. But end में, एंड में दिखाएगा, ऐसे नहीं कि वो पहले दिखा देगा उसको. सो दिस कार्ड इज ऑल्सो दैट थिंग कि काम दाम, वो होता ना, साम दाम दंड भेद, एनीथिंग आई विल डू. सो इट कैन बी अ लिटिल मैनिपुलेटिव कार्ड ऑल्सो. तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना, सामने वाला पर्सन इज ही ट्राइंग टू मैनिपुलेट यू स्लाइटली, वो टेंडेंसी है उसको मैनिपुलेशन का. या, सो इट इज अ वेरी एक्शन ओरिएंटेड कार्ड, वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियस, very aware, very, has a lot of concentration, very powerful leadership qualities, decision making, exceptional abilities, mastery, self control, having all tools, full potential. All this I'm reading from the notes. Magical results, can do impossible things, skills, self confidence, infinity, knowledge without beginning or end. So anyone will ask you, yes, it's the right time to begin new things. It's a very positive yes card. हर चीज के लिए yes है, हर चीज के लिए, ठीक है. Work will be done, but take the reins in your own hand. So if somebody asks you this question for business, then yes, it's a very positive card, but you are the magician. So you have to take charge. ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने अपने workers के ऊपर छोड़ दिया पूरा सब कुछ. Don't leave it to others. Don't leave it to your partners. If it's not working, then take back the reins in your own hand, right? Example, if you are going to do tarot, if you are going to do it professionally, आगे चल के, तो use the social media. ऐवे ही नहीं बैठे रहो. Like we're very bad at social media, me and Shweta. So like 1-2 months we'll be sleeping. Yeah, we're very social people, so we'll be like partying, going here, going there, and then going abroad because our children stay abroad. And then after 2 महीने हम लोग जागेंगे, अरे इंस्टा में एक भी पोस्ट नहीं डाले तो ये नहीं चलेगा. अगर मैजिशियन कार्ड मेरे लिए आएगा, मतलब प्लीज टेक द रेन्स बैक इन योर हैंड. You have the ability, then use it. No, why are you all not using it? Yeah. So this is our weakness, is कि हम लोग 2 महीने में डालते, फिर डालते 15-20 दिन, 1 महीना प्रॉपर, फिर वापस सेम, we go back to square one. ठीक है. Then if it comes, somebody is asked you for health, how is my health? Then if this card comes, your health is good because you know how to control. If you're overeating, then you will do a detox also. So you will do it himself. So if he's not doing it, tell him कर दो, you will be able to do it. कोई डरने का बात नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, no problem, right? So that way, like for any question, कोई भी चीज के लिए, this is a yes card. Anybody asks you, शादी करो इस बंदे से? Yes, go ahead. धाम धूम से शादी करो, all the celebration. Yeah, ये मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड अच्छा है, मुझे धोखा तो नहीं देगा? नहीं, थोड़ा ध्यान देना, slightly manipulative nature होता है. He will be little manipulative, but not bad intent से. Maybe he'll manipulate you. Maybe you will tell him मेरे साथ shopping चलो, तो he knows ये फालतू पैसा खर्चा कर देगी. So he'll tell you आज नहीं और कभी जाते हैं करके, that kind of manipulation, not a very bad manipulation. However, if it comes in an obstacle position, then sometimes he can be over manipulative. Yeah. So we will stop here and we will open out to chat. We will go to view and gallery. Yep. So anything that anyone, any doubts, no, actually go through the video again and again because वो निकल जाएगा सारे doubts. If you hear the video again. आज थोड़ा ड्राई था, बाद में और मजा आने वाला है बिकॉज एक एक कार्ड में ना नया नया स्टोरी निकलेगा, लाइक होल जर्नी टुगेदर. या 1 second. Tanu, yeah.
Hello, can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, Tanu, yeah.
I want to say thank you. I just want to share my journey. So I never knew I would be interested in tarot. I don't know what happened when you put this up in the group. I selected it and I was quite curious how I selected it, how my tarot cards came. My order was not supposed to come today. It came today. So it was quite interesting. When you started, it was very technical for me. I felt like I don't think I'll understand. I mean, there's so much numerology bhi chal raha hai, color bhi chal rahe hain, sab chal raha hai. And I was like, I have no clue. But when you started explaining the magician card, I think for me, the fool card was a little catching